Okay, so in this module, we're going to be setting up our new dub piano, which is going to signal the start of the second breakdown. So I'm just going to draw a cycle region from 161 to 169 there. If I click on the electric piano and then double click underneath, create a new software instrument track. To this, we're going to assign an EXS24 stereo. And the sound we're going to pick is a piano. We're just going to pick a small grand piano. Okay, now again, the chords for this are going to be based on the chords that we've used in both the pad and the electric piano. So if I just copy this down here, and I'm just going to say, don't copy the automation data. If I go in here, I'm just going to shorten the note so that it's only 1 beat long. And it's going to be on the off beat here, so I'm just going to copy this out 4 times. And if I listen back, we can hear how this sounds. Okay, and then we're going to make it go down. So the top note is then going to be here. And we're going to move this middle note up. And it's going to repeat once. And then it's going to drop down a semitone again. And if we listen back, we can hear how this sounds. Okay, so just delete that and replace that with that. Okay, so there we go. And what we're also going to do is just shorten the decay and the release time on that just to make it more punchy. Okay, that's fine. What we're also going to do is set up another delay line to make it more, to give it more of a dubby kind of effect. So just go into our mixer here and rename this dub piano. Then going to set up send to bus 4, which we're going to rename here as delay 2. Just going to set up a tape delay. And we're going to pick space dub delay from here. And we're just going to change the feedback down to about 450. And I'm just going to turn the dry down and open this out a little. Okay, now if we send just a bit, we can then hear how this affects the sound. Okay, so that's fine. And we're just going to repeat this out. And up to here. And now the next thing that we're going to do is draw in a drum beat for the breakdown. So I just copied that over, but I'm actually going to take all the sounds out here. So I want a beat here and here and okay, that's fine. So that's where I want the bass drums. Just going to copy this down here onto the snare and take all of these out. And I just want a snare here and here. And I'm just going to move that up. So, okay, just move these back one. Okay. Oh. And then just copy these over. Okay, so I'm just going to copy these over. And then I want to copy some of the effects as well. Okay, so I'm just going to change this a bit. for the last bar. That's it. And I'm also going to add in this bass here. So I'm going to start on the so just want to have the note sounding on the kick drum. So okay, take this side and just going to make this longer to here. So just want the bass sound on it's there. And just extend that out to the end of the bar. Okay. And I'm just going to repeat that off to the end. Okay, that's fine. And in the next module, we're going to be looking at bringing this back in to the final bit of the track.